Hi guys, in this video we will see how to update and delete data from a database with PHP. The updating and deletion of database records is done with simple SQL instructions. Let's see how it is done. I have created the page database2.php to manage my database, and inside that page I created the object BDD link that I linked with my database. We are still working on the database sales, so we'll continue to work on the table games. I wrote beforehand a code to display my list of games, so it is with this code that we will see the changes that our code applies. So let us go back in our code. Since this is a blank code, I will first write a command to make the code reload itself, like reload the code here. Here is database 2.php. So if we go to the navigator, database 2.php, I have reload the code. Okay, now I have this list of games and I wish to update, let's say, this game Tetris. The owner is Naha and the price of the game is 200. Number of players is 4 player max, so I want to update it and make the price to be 20 and the number of players to be 1. So let us write the command to the object BDD. I ask the execution of, we write the SQL command update, and now we write the name of the table, games. Having written the name of the table, we now have to set what we will change. We said we will change the price. The price other side was 200 francs. We'll make it 10 francs. And also number of player, we'll make it 1. Now, where we now have to specify the game. The game is Tetris and the owner is Naha. I should specify both because there can be also a game Tetris with another owner downstairs, but down there, but I would just want to change this game. So where name equals to Tetris and owner is Naha. Okay, having written this code, I should echo something like the game has been updated. Okay, let's go back to the navigator. This is the game Tetris with the owner Naha. The price is 200 francs and the number of players is 4. I go to Naha and reload the code. The game has been updated. I go back to my list of game and I reload it, and I now have Tetris, Naha. The price is 10 and the number of players is 1. Now let's say we want to delete the second game, that is Angry Bird owned by Charles. We still have to make the SQL request, BDD, ask for execution. Now it will be delete from the table games where name equals to, what was the name again? The name was Angry Bird. And owner was Charles. Echo the game Angry Bird has been successfully deleted. Okay, I've not done some changes here, so it will update the game, but since the records is the same, we will not see some change for this update. Our concern is with this delete, so let us go to the navigator. Here we have Tetris, 10-1, we have Angry Bird Charles. If I reload this page, I still have it. Now I should go to the code database .2php. I reload the code. Now I have the game has been updated. The game Angry Bird has been successfully deleted. Now going back here, I reload. Here there is Tetris, Angry Bird and Subway Surfers. So you see you have Tetris and we have Subway Surfers. The game Angry Bird has been deleted. You have to note that when you delete a game from a database, it is not possible to recover the records anymore, so you should be careful. And if you don't precise this where and just write delete from games, all the records of the table games will be deleted. So make sure to precise the where the precise records to be deleted. So you should pay attention on that. We just saw how to update and delete records of a table from a database. If you have specific information about the records to be deleted or updated, it is more recommended to use prepare request to address that case. We already saw how to write prepared request when we had to query data from a database, and also when we had to insert data into a database. So we will not write prepared request for this case. You will be left as an assignment. I like to give assignments. So you just have to write the prepare request and the instruction to execute that request, importing the necessary information from a form. If you like this video, just subscribe to the channel. More videos on PHP will come. And don't forget, PHP is fun.